In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link YouTube to Discord. Connecting your YouTube channel to your Discord server is a great way to bring your community together in one place. Viewers can move from your videos straight into your server, where they can chat, get updates, and hang out with you and other fans. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open YouTube and make sure you're signed in to the account that owns the channel you want to link. From the YouTube homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This is the circular icon that opens your account menu. In that menu, select YouTube Studio. This will take you to your channel's creator dashboard, where you manage your content and channel settings. Give it a second to load if your connection is a bit slow. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different options. Click on Customization. This is where you control how your channel looks to viewers, including your layout, branding, and links. Inside the customization section, find the area that lets you manage your links. There should be an option to add a link. Click on Add Link. This will create a new row where you can fill in the details for your Discord invite. In the link title field, type Discord. This is the label that will show up on your channel banner, so keep it short and clear. Viewers will see this and know it takes them to your server. Now, leave YouTube open in a tab and switch over to Discord. Go to the actual Discord server you want people to join. Make sure you have permission to create an invite for that server. On the left side of Discord, near your server name or channel list, look for the invite icon or the option to invite people. Click that, and Discord will show you an invite link to your server. If needed, you can adjust the invite settings so the link doesn't expire quickly. When you're ready, click on the button to copy the invite URL to your clipboard. Head back to your YouTube Studio tab. In the URL field next to the Discord title you added earlier, paste in the Discord invite link you just copied. Finally, look to the top right corner of the customization page and click on Publish. This saves your changes and makes the Discord link live on your channel. After publishing, you can visit your channel page to check that the Discord link appears where you expect it, usually on your banner or in your About section. Now your viewers can easily move from YouTube straight into your Discord community.